There are two questions that I get from people who are new to a 401k plan. What is a company match, and do I get to keep it? So I'm going to make this very simple by giving you an example, okay? So let's say your salary is $60,000, okay? Company match is 3%. What does that mean? Well, 3% of $60,000 is $1,800. So your employer is willing to contribute up to $1,800 to your 401k plan as long as you're willing to contribute $1,800 yourself. So if you put in $1,500, your employer will give you $1,500. If you put in $2,000, well, sorry, it's limited to $1,800, okay? So here's the deal. You put in your 3%, your $1,800 contribution, and then your employer gives you their $1,800 employer contribution. You add that together, your first year, you have $3,600. Congratulations. You've saved $3,600 after your first year at work. You're on your way to saving retirement. You should be proud of yourself. But it's not necessarily free, right? There's nothing free. There's always a catch. So what's the catch? The catch is a vesting schedule. It means that this $1,800 will become yours permanently 25% a year in this example over 4 years. So the $1,800 that you put in your contribution, that's yours. That's permanent. If you leave the company, you can take that with you. You own it. It's yours forever. But the $1,800 from your employer, well, after the first year, if you leave, you get to take your $1,800 contribution plus $450. After 2 years, you take your $1,800 contribution plus $900. 3 years, $1,350. 4 years, $1,800. So that's how a vesting schedule works. So if you have any questions, I'm Mitch Goldberg. I can be reached at ClientFirstStrategy.com. Thanks for watching.